Hello, I can't be with you today, but today in class what you're going to do, you're going to play KenKen puzzles. Some of you have probably played this before. I think we've done it a couple of times in class ourselves. But if you haven't seen it before, or if you need a reminder, I just want to walk you through. So this is the first one on the sheet that you're going to get handed out. It's a 3x3 puzzle, and it's broken up into different cells. Now, 3x3 means that we only use the numbers 1, 2, and 3 to fill this in. Okay? We're only going to use the numbers 1, 2, and 3 to fill this table in. We can't repeat a number. We can't repeat on any vertical or horizontal line. Okay? So you can only use 1, 2, and 3 once in each horizontal row or once in each vertical column. Okay? Now the way you should start is to look for a square, a cell, in which there's only a single square. So here, this square here, if we look here in this square, there's just a single square and it's got the number 1. That means the number 1 has to go in there. Okay, so that's the easiest way to start off. And then we look at the other cells, and we can see that in this cell the two numbers we choose have to add up to 4. So it could be 1 and 3, or 3 and 1. That's the only way we can get to 4. We can't have 2 and 2 on the same line. So it could be 1 and 3. Now we already have a 1 on the top row, so this is going to be 1 and 3 in this cell here. Okay, 1 and 3 in this region here. But we already have a 3 on the 1 on the top line, so we can't have a 1 on the top line. That means this has to be a 3, and this has to be the 1. And now it becomes easier, because on the top we have a 1 and a 3, which means we need a 2 there. And down the left we have a 3 and a 1, which means we need a 2 there. Okay. Now if you look along the bottom, 3 plus, that means the two numbers here in this column, okay, or in this row, the two numbers in this cell actually, have to add up to 3. Now we've got a 2, which means this needs to be a 1, and then 2 and 1, that means we need a 3 here. And we've got a 1 and a 3, we're missing the 2, and if you check the 2 and the 3 together, they add up to this 5. Okay, and then the 1 we're missing, from the middle we've got a 1 and a 2, so we're missing a 3. So now we have 1, 2, 3 in the middle as well, and the thing is complete. And we don't have any repetitions, and everything works out okay. So that's what we're going to do, and I hope you enjoy it. It's a bit of fun, and it also gets your mind thinking in a sort of a logical and rational and mathematical way. So that's what you're going to do during the day. The sheet is going to have 3x3s on the front page, 4x4s on the back. 4x4 you use 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Use 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? And thanks for watching the video. I'm going to upload it now and then send you a link, and then in class you'll work on these. If you get the two sides done, the 3x3 and the 4x4, then you can do whatever other work that you have to do yourself. Okay, thanks, and enjoy the weekend. I'm sorry I can't be with you today.